Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix YouTube Shorts upload date, view and like count not showing or disappeared problem. Let's see how to solve this issue. Step 1. Open your YouTube app. Click on your YouTube profile from the lower corner. Click on Setting from the top right corner. Scroll down and find out Send Feedback. Click on Get Started. Allow one-time access. Now here write down Hi YouTube support team, YouTube Shorts upload date, view and like count not showing in my account. Please solve this issue as soon as possible. Then send your feedback to the YouTube support team. Now go back and follow the second step. Tap and hold on YouTube app. Click on I button. Now scroll down. Go to YouTube storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from YouTube app. For iPhone user, please archive YouTube app and then restore YouTube app. Now follow the third step. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Now search YouTube app. From here, update your YouTube app.